How ironic. I am filming a camera while using a camera. But technically this one's a JVC compact VHS camcorder that takes VHSC tapes. But this one is a GR-AX760. Here is play, stop, fast forward, rewind, alright, edit, cancel, edit, MWB, in or out, tracking, and also SP to LP. Here's the width, here's the close-up sort of thing. Here's quick record. So here's the actual record button, that big red button. The AV ports, some JLIP jack. It says power off, play, and camera. Switch over here. So the bottom isn't that much. Actually, it's just really in Japan probably. And also the front. The lens, the light, and also something this is like 28 times. The sensor for a remote. The side push to like close the actual thing. Eject. It's like auto pause. Off or on. Light. Off. Audio is it on. Then there's a screen that tells you how much you have, like what time you, like how long are you playing it. Here's the effect button, the menu button, the fade and wipe button, and also the DI stab laser button. And also here's the full audio and also the preset features, the knob over here. This is like for the volume, like up or volume down. Here's the far sort of thing. Here's the, you know, have you say it. And also here's the display button. Again, it says 28 times. Here's a battery pack. And also, I cannot turn it on because technically the battery's dead. So, like, I'll just show you around it. The act is supposed to be like, push this up. You switch it, also that opens up. Then you have to push it down to close it. So, here's the screen. Like, Panasonic camera can see it. Screen where you can see it. There's the effect that we can just do this like that. And also what this thing is. So I'll show you something else. This JVC strap where you can hold your hand into it so it doesn't drop, maybe so it doesn't shatter, if it ever does, because these things are like really, really strong. And thanks for watching.